Thank you for the joint work folder. Okay guys, God be with you. Undocking occurring on time at 9:02 p.m. Central Time over the Russian-Mongolian border. B-17 eliminated, looking right down the barrel of the Poisk module, the docking part that is mated to the space-facing side of the Zvezda service module station. We see a large view of the Canadian arm. With undocking Expedition 25 officially underway, also about one, we are moving to page 84. We are moving to page 84. How is the docking assembly? Yes, everything is fine. When I took a look, it remains to be clean and without any problems. Looks good. MCC Moscow IM. Moscow station observed docking part of Soyuz. All the rubber shelves are in place. Okay, thank you. This is the same docking part you are looking at on the Poisk module that Scott Kelly, Alexander Callery, and Alex will link their Soyuz vehicle to on October 10th to re-up the station crew back to a 6-person crew. Can it wait literally a few seconds? Yes, absolutely. We are giving you a go in advance. Whenever you have a chance, you can proceed. Thank you. I understand. I can go ahead and close KVD. Affirmative. As Soyuz TMA-18 pull away from the International Space Station, the search and recovery forces are beginning to fan out towards Arcalik and the landing site, to which the Soyuz will descend to for a landing at 12:21 a.m. Central Time. We have depot operation. Separation burn now underway. This is the 15-second automatic burn of two thrusters on the Soyuz vehicle to induce an opening rate of about 6/10 of a meter per second, enabling the Soyuz to phase away to a distance of 12 kilometers over the next two orbits for its deorbit burn in preparation for landing. Just to the southwest of Arcalik depot, I have executed the burn nominally. The first Russian Mi-8 helicopters are now wheels up out of Zhezkazgan to the south of Arcalik, beginning their slow trek toward the landing zone. Other helicopters already poised in Arcalik. Some of the helicopters from Zhezkazgan will be refueling in Arcalik en route to the landing site. Per the Ascent and Descent audiobook, page 87050800, monitor the set points of the route. The Soyuz has now passed out of range station, but we had a great view of undocking again occurring at 9:02 p.m. Central Time over the Russian-Mongolian border. At 11:54 p.m. EDT on Friday, NASA astronaut Laurel O'Hara, Roscosmos cosmonaut Oleg Novitsky, and spaceflight participant Marina of Belarus undocked from the International Space Station in the Soyuz MS-24 spacecraft to begin the journey back to Earth. The Soyuz is heading for a parachute-assisted landing Saturday, April 6 on the steppe of Kazakhstan southeast of the remote town of Dzhigzhan. NASA coverage of the crew's deorbit burn and landing will begin at 2 a.m. on NASA Plus, NASA TV, the NASA app, YouTube, and the agency's website, with landing scheduled at 3:17 a.m. 12:17 p.m. as Kazakhstan time. After landing, the Soyuz MS-24 crew will split up as per standard crew return practice, with O'Hara returning to NASA's Johnson Space Center in Houston. With the undocking of the Soyuz MS-24 spacecraft with O'Hara, Novitsky, and Alex, Expedition 71 officially began aboard the station. NASA astronauts Michael Barrett, Matthew Dominic, Tracy Dyson, and Janet Epps, as well as Roscosmos cosmonauts Alexander and Oleg, to make up Expedition 71 and will remain on the station until this fall. The Soyuz is a Russian spacecraft. The Soyuz carries people and supplies to and from the station. The Soyuz can also bring people back to Earth, orbit the path followed by a moon, planet, or man-made object as it travels around another body in space. Life support system equipment that allows people to live somewhere. It provides oxygen for them to breathe. It controls the temperature and air pressure. Rocket is a vehicle used to launch people and objects into space. Russian crew members are called cosmonauts. NASA crew members from the United States are called astronauts. Crew members from Europe, Canada, and Japan are called astronauts too. The Soyuz takes cosmonauts and astronauts to and from the space station. A Soyuz has room for 3 people to ride in it. The spacecraft also brings food and water to space station. The Soyuz is like a lifeboat. At least one Soyuz is always attached to the space station. If there were an emergency on the space station, the crew could use the Soyuz to leave the space station and return to Earth. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, then please make sure to like, subscribe, share, and also press the bell icon for more informative videos.